Stay tuned to see how I install this U-part wig from Kinkistry. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing and also a tutorial on how I do my U-part wig. So today's wig is from Kinkistry. So excited about this. I have used Kinkistry clip-ins before, so I'll insert a video in the cards above and you can check that out. So here we go. So I'm loving this box, first of all. Inside of the box is the Kinkistry care instructions on how to care for the wig. There's also a pamphlet with all of the different types of wigs and clip-ins that they offer. So there are the Kinknetics for type 4B to 4C, Kinkgenics for type 4A to 4B, Curlgenics for 3C to 4A, Koilistics for 3B to 3C, Curly Nexus for 3A and 3B, and then Curlicious, which is the loose curl. So here is what they offer. Now let's get into this wig. Okay, so here is the U-part wig, and this one is Koilistics. I'm just going to take the netting off so that you guys can see how beautiful this wig is. So this is what the wig looks like. It's a natural 1B color. Beautiful curl pattern. Cannot wait to slay this. So the wig comes with some combs on the inside, an adjustable strap, a band that goes around your head, and then the U-part, which I'm going to cut the elastic in the middle. So stay tuned. Now we are ready for the install. I have 1, 2, 3, 5 flat twists. Have my leave out in the middle for the U-part and some leave out on the side. So let's get into this wig. lace is cut. Again, there are the combs and then the strap. So let's get into it. Right, so the strap has 3 adjustable links there. So I'm not sure how I need to do this one, but out and feel secure. So far, so good. So I think I'm going to tighten the strap in the back. It's definitely not tight enough. So I put it on the first link because I wasn't really sure. But I definitely need it on the last link. Now that feels a lot better, a lot more secure. Everything looks good. So I'm gonna just go in and untwist my leave out and blend it. We shall see. Stay tuned. And here are my final results. I am absolutely loving this U-part wig. It blends so well with my hair. This is definitely going to be my go-to. Like, I will definitely be wearing this wig a lot. So get ready to see her a lot more often. So I'm gonna turn around so you can see back. She is amazing. She is gorgeous. She is everything. Yes, definitely loving this U-part wig from Kinkistry. I'll leave all the information in the description box so that you can purchase you one. Yeah. Hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in my next video.